Hey Alice, I keep hearing about neural networks and deep learning, but I'm not exactly sure what they are. Can you explain them to me?
Absolutely, Bob. Neural networks are a type of machine learning model inspired by the human brain. They're designed to recognize patterns and make decisions based on data.
So, how do they work?
Imagine a neural network as a network of interconnected neurons. Each neuron processes a piece of information and passes it on to the next layer. The network learns by adjusting the connections between neurons based on the data it processes.
Sounds interesting. And how is deep learning different from neural networks?
Great question. Deep learning is actually a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers, hence the term deep. These deep neural networks can learn complex patterns in large amounts of data.
So, it's like stacking multiple layers of neurons to learn more intricate details?
Exactly. Each layer in a deep neural network extracts higher-level features from the data. For example, in image recognition, the first layers might detect edges, while deeper layers recognize shapes and objects.
That sounds powerful. What are some common applications of deep learning?
Deep learning is used in a wide range of applications, from image and speech recognition to natural language processing and autonomous driving. It's behind many of the AI technologies we use every day.
This is fascinating, Alice. Neural networks and deep learning sound like the backbone of modern AI.
They really are. If you want to dive deeper into these topics, the YouTube channel Computing for All has some excellent tutorials.
Sounds great. Thanks for explaining, Alice.